Guys, do you want some AirPod killers that sound better and won't break the bank? Well, stick around because I've got just the thing for you and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, today I'm looking at these active noise cancelling earbuds. Now, yeah, I know, there's a ton of these and you know what? I've reviewed a ton of them and I can tell you that these Sensmore Airs from Creative are really kind of special. Now, Creative sent me these Sensmore Airs to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, let's take a quick look at what we've got in the box. Now, first off, we're greeted with the earbuds and the charging case. Now, Creative seem to do this with their earbuds. They don't ship them in the charging case. Don't know why that is, but they just don't. Now, I reviewed the Outlier Pros, card up here for that, and they were exactly the same. Now guys, take the earbuds out and you can see you've got some silicone ear tips here which you can use to make the right seal in your ears, and you've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and of course guys, some instructions. Now, if you don't know Creative, well, they've been around for decades. I used to use their sound cards back in the day, and I've also used their computer speaker systems and even their Zen music players. So you know what? Yeah, they've got a ton of credibility in the sound game. Now guys, picking these Airs up, and the first thing that's very noticeable is that these earbuds are light. Even though the case is a little bigger than the AirPods Pro case, I've got to say, they're much lighter. Once you open up this case, you can see that these earbuds start glowing red, and that shows that they're charging. And once you take them out of the case, they start flashing blue and red, and this is to show you that they're in pairing mode. Now, don't worry if you don't see any lights flashing, it's probably because they are fully charged, so don't think there's anything wrong. Now guys, you also have some LEDs on the charging case. And I've got to say, this case can be charged from either the USB cable or the USB-C cable or wirelessly, which is pretty cool. And guys, as I said, you've got LEDs on here, and green is going to tell you that they're fully charged and red is that they're charging. Now, as these are active noise cancelling earbuds, it's only right and proper that we get these paired up and see what they sound like. Pairing, guys, was as easy as anything else that you got to pair. You just take them out of the case, put them in your ears, they go into pairing mode, and you get some spoken instructions, which is kind of nice. Now guys, I've got to say, these sound very nice. You have all the taps for play, pause, skip forward and back, as well as volume up and down, and of course that noise cancellation and Sensmore mode, which I've got to say is like wearing hearing aids. You can hear everything around you really clearly, and if you want to, you can install the Creative app. And actually, I don't know why you wouldn't want to, because you know what? You can control everything on these earbuds, as well as use things like the graphic equalizer. You can update the firmware. You can even reconfigure the controls as you please. So that's kind of neat. Now guys, specs wise, you get 35 hours of playtime from the charge case, and each earbud will give you around 10 hours. Plus, if you want a quick 2-hour boost, 10 minutes charge in the case will give you just that. And you also get the latest Bluetooth 5.3, and these are IPX5 water and sweat proof. I already talked about the sound quality, guys, but these earbuds use biocellulose 6mm drivers, which are tuned, how do they look? Pretty good, hey? To give you the best clarity across the entire soundstage. Now, something else I need to tell you about is these Airs are SXFI compatible. SX what? Okay, if you don't know what SXFI is, leave me a note in the comments, but in short, SXFI or Super XFI means that when you're watching movies or videos, Super X-Fi is capable of transforming these earbuds into a fully fledged cinematic audio experience. You can hear sounds really accurately. You've got positional audio cues like they were coming from speakers all around you, including the subwoofer. And even though you're wearing earbuds or headphones, it's like bringing a cinema sound system everywhere you go. And when listening to music, Super X-Fi will make you feel like you're in, I don't know, like you're right in the room, right? You're at the venue that the artist is at, just like being at a concert. And for games and spoken content, you also get this really amazing experience that makes you feel a part of what's really going on, and you know what, not just listening to it. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. These Sensmore Airs from Creative are definitely a step up from my AirPods, and yeah, I know us Apple users like to stay in the ecosystem, but these earbuds are less than £90, which is a fraction of the £249 I paid for these, and in my opinion they sound way better. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Creative for sending me these really quite fantastic earbuds. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.